Look out. Oh man. I've never been in anything like this. Watch the logs. That school is flooded. Oh my God. It's almost up to the road here. I know. Probably be several.
On August 21, 2021, extreme heavy rain led to major flooding in Waverly, Tennessee, USA. More than 15 inches of rain has been reported in areas west of Nashville, according to the National Weather Service in Nashville. That's about 25% of the yearly rainfall total at this area sees in a year, and we saw this morning, Hurley, the meteorologist, said. Streets became rivers, families climbed to their roofs, and 911 went down Saturday as some areas of western Middle Tennessee experienced about a fourth of their annual rainfall in a matter of hours. They're seeing catastrophic flash flooding in areas that are not usually prone to flooding, said meteorologist Chrissy Hurley. It's a really bad situation right now. The Tennessee Emergency Management Agency called the situation dangerous and evolving, and urged people to avoid travel in the affected counties. Situation is extremely bad, more people are missing. Stay safe as much as possible and follow the news about extreme flooding again.